We are pleased to welcome you to Natural Life Hacks, your reliable resource for maintaining your strength, vitality, and independence as you become older. You need not be concerned if you are over the age of 60 and have noticed that your muscles are not as strong as they used to be. You are not alone, and it is not your fault. Sarcopenia, also known as age-related muscle loss, is the person responsible for this quiet process, which affects 1 in every 3 elderly people. The good news is that you do not need to purchase pricey therapies or engage in strenuous physical activity in order to fight back. In today's video, we're going to discuss 3 natural powders that are easy to use at home, have scientific backing, and help you become more active. These powders help you rebuild strength, reduce inflammation, and keep you active. 1. Whey protein, the muscle builder. To begin, let's talk about whey protein, which is widely considered to be one of the most reliable and functional natural supplements now available. Nevertheless, you shouldn't allow the advertisements for the gym deceive you. Whey protein isn't exclusively for bodybuilders. When it comes to combating muscle loss, it is an effective strategy for persons over the age of 60. How come? The more we become older, the less effectively our bodies are able to utilize the protein that we consume. It is for this reason that even a healthy diet could not be sufficient. The most significant aspect of whey protein is that it is abundant in leucine, which is the fundamental ingredient that initiates the process of muscle regeneration. Whey protein contains all 9 essential amino acids. Leucine may be thought of as a switch that signals to your body that it is time to repair structure. The greatest aspect is that it is simple to use. All you have to do is add a scoop of whey to beverages like water, almond milk, or your morning smoothie. It is recommended to consume it after engaging in light physical activity, such as walking or stretching. Your muscles are able to recover more quickly when they are most prepared to take in nutrients. We recommend selecting a powder of superior quality, particularly one that is made from grass-fed concentrate or whey isolate, and that does not contain any artificial sweeteners or additives. You should look for a meal that has at least 20 grams of protein. Over time, taking whey protein on a regular basis might make it easier for you to move around, make you feel more balanced, and keep you motivated without the need to go to the gym. 2. Collagen peptides, the connective tissue support. Next, we will discuss collagen peptides, which are an underappreciated key of mobility after the age of 60. Collagen is the glue that binds your joints, tendons, and muscles together since it is found inside your body. You have definitely heard of collagen and skin creams. When a person reaches the age of 50, their collagen synthesis decreases, which can result in tight joints, delayed healing, and balance problems. A kind of collagen that has been broken down into peptides that your body can absorb fast is called collagen peptides. The basic elements that are necessary for repairing connective tissue are provided by them, which enables you to move with more ease and self-assurance. People who are in their later years frequently make statements such as, "I can finally get up from a chair without pain," or "My walks are easier now." Consistent assistance is all that is required. It is not magic. All you have to do is whisk a scoop into your morning soup, smoothie, or coffee. There is no flavor, and there is no bother. You should aim for 10 to 20 grams per day, and for optimal benefits, you should take it with vitamin C, which may be obtained from fruit or also from a little supplement. Look for collagen that comes from marine sources or cows that are fed grass, and steer clear of goods that include fillers. When performed on a regular basis, collagen can assist in making you feel more stable, less achy, and ready to proceed with your activities. 3. Spirulina powder, the nutrient powerhouse. And last but not least, let's talk about spirulina, a green powder that produces a significant influence. This blue-green alga is one of the Earth's most nutrient-dense meals, and it is very beneficial for older citizens who are looking to increase their strength and energy levels. Iron, magnesium, potassium, and B vitamins are all needed for the repair and maintenance of muscle tissue, and spirulina is a complete protein that contains all of these nutrients. On the other hand, magnesium helps avoid cramps and ensures that your neurons are firing appropriately, while iron helps your muscles receive more oxygen. If you have been experiencing feelings of fatigue or sluggishness, spirulina may provide the support that your body requires. In addition to this, it has a rare antioxidant known as phycocyanin, which helps reduce inflammation and protects your muscles from the degeneration that comes with aging. To begin, take a half teaspoon of it every day and gradually increase it to 1 teaspoon. You may combine it with citrus juice, smoothies, or even water that has been flavored with lemon. If the flavor isn't to your liking, you might perhaps try tablets instead. It is essential to select spirulina that is organic, has been examined by an independent organization, and is best farmed in pristine locations such as Hawaii or California. The natural strengthening of your muscles is a benefit of these small algae, which also helps with circulation, detoxification, and endurance. For now, let's review. You do not need to take more medicines or work out more in order to safeguard your muscles after the age of 60. All you need is better diet. Spirulina provides the vitamins that your muscles want, while whey protein stimulates the process of muscle rebuilding. Collagen peptides are beneficial to the joints and tendons. You could be astonished to find that you feel significantly stronger and more energized after incorporating even just one of them into your daily routine. This might happen in as little as a few weeks. We are so grateful that you were able to join us on the Natural Life Hacks. Should you find this video to be helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might potentially benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe for further weekly advice on how to age gracefully in a natural way. Always remember to keep pushing forward, maintain your strength, and maintain your independence.